What if the next Apple Watch Ultra doesn't just improve, but actually brings some of the biggest changes we've seen in years? Because right now, the Apple Watch Ultra 4 leaks are pointing toward a major upgrade, not just a simple update. We're talking about better battery life, a slimmer design, new security features, and more advanced health tracking, all in one device. So in this video, I'll walk you through the 7 biggest upgrades, along with the expected launch timeline, pricing, and whether this is worth waiting for. Battery life is one of the biggest talking points this time. Leaks suggest Apple is focusing heavily on efficiency with a new chip and better power management. The Ultra 4 could push closer to multi-day usage, possibly even around 72 hours depending on how you use it. In real life, that means less charging stress and more reliable tracking, especially for sleep and long workouts, which is exactly what Ultra users have been asking for. Design is also getting attention. The Ultra has always had that bold, rugged look, but now Apple may be making it slimmer and lighter while still keeping the premium titanium build. This could make a noticeable difference in daily comfort, especially if you wear your watch all day and night. Along with that, the display is expected to improve as well. Instead of increasing the overall size, Apple may reduce the bezels to give you more usable screen space. That means better visibility, more information on screen, and a cleaner overall experience compared to the previous model. One of the most exciting upgrades being discussed is Touch ID. Apple could finally introduce fingerprint unlock directly on the watch, likely built into the side button or action button. This would make unlocking faster and more convenient, especially during workouts or when Face ID isn't practical. Health tracking is another major area of improvement. Reports suggest Apple could significantly expand the sensor system, possibly adding more sensor elements for better accuracy. This means improved heart rate tracking, more detailed sleep analysis, and better recovery insights overall. On top of that, the watch may also introduce smarter health insights. Instead of just showing data, it could start giving more meaningful feedback, like when to rest, how your recovery looks, or how your body is responding to activity. This is something users are increasingly expecting from modern wearables. Performance is also expected to improve with a new chip, likely the S11. This should make the watch faster, smoother, and more efficient overall, whether you're navigating the interface or tracking workouts. Now coming to the expected launch timeline, based on Apple's usual schedule and current leaks. The Apple Watch Ultra 4 is expected to launch around September 2026, alongside the next iPhone lineup. In terms of pricing, it's expected to stay in the premium category, likely between $849 to $899, depending on the final features and upgrades. So, should you wait for it? If these leaks turn out to be accurate, the Ultra 4 looks like a strong upgrade with meaningful improvements in battery, design, and health tracking. But at the same time, keep in mind that all of this is based on the latest leaks and reports, and things can still change once Apple officially announces the device. That said, this is definitely a smartwatch worth watching, and if you want the latest updates, real comparisons, and honest reviews, make sure you stay tuned to Smartwatch Radar.